few weeks ago, I did a video about the things I've learned in my barbecue journey, sharing tips and tricks. If you haven't seen that video, check it out up here. In that video, I mentioned one of the first things I ever learned to do successfully was beer can chicken. So I wanted to show you a quick and easy way to dip your toe into the grilling and barbecue world. Beer can chicken. Step number 1, procure yourself a chicken. This chicken is roughly 4.5 pounds. So what you want to do, you want to go in, trim up all this skin. You don't necessarily need all this. Step number 2, I'm going to do a quick dry brine. Just going to hit the skin with some salt. This will help to dry the skin out. It's going to season the meat just a little bit. We're going to let this hang out in the refrigerator for about 3 hours on a rack. And then we will move on from there. Now, it wouldn't be called beer can chicken without your can of beer. You don't have to use beer. You can use Dr. Pepper. You can use Coca-Cola. I would recommend, though, do not put a full can of whatever beverage you decide to use. You want to get it about 3/4 to halfway empty. However you choose to empty it is up to you. Next, gonna take our bird and it's gonna sit down on top of this thing. Ain't she pretty? So I'm running a fire here. I got a 2-zone fire. If you're not familiar with a 2-zone fire, it just means all of the coals are over to one side. So you've got a hot zone and a cold zone. I've got a blocking log in so that the chicken is not getting blasted with heat directly. What we're going to do, take this, set it right there. And every 15 minutes or so, I'm going to come out and I'm going to rotate this because I don't want all the heat hitting one side of the chicken. And we will keep temps. We will take it up to about 160 degrees, and then we will pull it off and let the carryover carry it up to 165. So let me get the lid back on this. I am losing light rapidly. All right, we are done. Here it is, 1 hour and 15 minutes. That is quick in the world of barbecue. Gonna go ahead and remove it from its stand. Don't drink this stuff. All right, let's cut into it. Oh man, that is juicy. You can see how much juice is in the meat. And I'll be honest with you, I let this get above 165. So the beer can really helps save the day, even if you overshoot your mark. Skin is crispy. Meat is juicy, and it is atomic fireball hot. So yeah, woo! Let's get a taste. Here it is. Wow. Like I said, I actually overshot the temperature I was going for, and this thing is super, super juicy. If you have never tried this, I highly recommend you give it a shot. It is a great way to dip your toe into the grilling world, the smoking world. And it is almost foolproof. Go out, get yourself some chicken, and give this a try. With that being said, I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, give me a like, give me a subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And as always, get up, go out, cook some good food. Be a little bit better tomorrow than you were today. And I will catch you next time.